Hey crafty friends, I'm Peggy and welcome to my studio. Today I have a quick project share. My friend Dina, who's Crafty Crafts by Dina here on YouTube, also has a Facebook group, which is Crafty Crafts by Dina Swaps and Stuff. And this month our swap was flat mail. And I want to share my project with you. This is my not so flat mail. I had a really hard time with this because I wanted to make it nice for my partner. So anyway, here's what I've got. The main paper I used is Poetic Rose by Prima. And this butterfly, the paper is Shades of Color from Genevieve Designs, and I will put links to what I can below. And just use some rhinestones. This is a Martha Stewart punch, and I did two, so it would have a back as well. Only glued in the middle, so we can, but when she gets it, she can puff up his little wings again. And this is a card that I made for my partner. And I used, the paper is, on the outside is from a Michael's Hot Buy Pad, Mariska. And the dies that I used are gorgeous. These are from Crafter's Companion, then just a couple little gems. And then my note to her is just on the inside. It's just plain white inside. When you open it up, on the first side, I did a belly band. And I made this little policy envelope. Let's see if I can slide her out. And inside of this, these brads are from Bo Bunny. I got them at Tuesday morning. And inside I have some cut-aparts, which are also from Bo Bunny, and this is the Madeline collection. Okay. And this little rose is from, it's a Knitwick collection, and I'm not sure, it might be Annabelle, but I'm not quite sure the name of the collection there. It's a digital collection. Slide this back, slide it back in. Trying to keep everything where it goes so I don't forget. This envelope, this paper is another Michael's Hot Buy Pad, and I think it is Grace. It's an old one, so I'm not sure if it's still available. But inside, there's just some different tea bags, just to relax. Okay, let me slide that one back in there. I actually wanted to put some things here, but no room. When you open it up, over here I have a couple of pieces of elastic that make little kind of belly bands. This I just got, I think I got that at Hobby Lobby, the elastic. And this paper is also from a Michael's Hot Buy Pad, and I don't remember which collection. But it is held together by some scented washi. And inside I have got, guys, you've got to see these. Let me find a good one to pull out. Okay. These are from Genevieve Designs, and these are her mini envelopes with tags, well, with inserts. They are the cutest little things ever. Hold on, let me get this open to show you guys. Oop. It is like 4 o'clock in the morning, so, you don't know. Okay. This is, whoop. Oops, the other side for just a second. This is the tiniest envelope. I mean, the biggest envelope. Sorry. Look at that. Look how tiny it is. It is so cute. And inside are just little inserts. That's, like I said, that's the largest one. And then, look at this, guys. Look how teeny tiny. I love these. They may not be practical for a lot of things, but for embellishments, they're awesome. So I thought I would gift her some of those. And again, I printed them out on 2 different colors of Genevieve's Shades of Color, her paper. And again, I'll try to, I will try to link that down below. Put these aside. They're a little more difficult to get back in place. Okay, in the middle, I made a pocket. And inside of it, I made another folder, and this paper is also from Mariska. And inside, I just cut out a couple little mason jar cutouts and just put some different little ribbons that she can use. And I don't know what company that die is from. It was gifted to me, and I don't know. But there's another one using Crafter's Companion dies. And I just made like a little spool for some lace. And put it together with a garment pin. And then I made another envelope, and this is from Knitwit Wishes collection. And that's a little part from the Prima ephemera pack. And inside, I just have some tags that I cut out. This is from the Mrska. Just a few little tags that she can use. So, that is what I made her. And I hope that you liked it, and I hope she likes it. If you're seeing this by now, she's already received it. And if you did like the video, please subscribe to my channel. And give this video a like, because it helps me grow my channel. And be sure to click that little notification bell so you know every time the YouTube lets you know that I upload a video. And I hope to see you soon, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.